Mga kapuso, kung dunay mga dog owners nga nagpabaya lang sa ilang mga alagang iro sa gawas, apan kini mag-asawa sa Davao City, grabe ang pag-atiman sa ilang mga alagang iro. Gani, nagpatukod pa sila og shelter alang sa mga stray dogs o kini mga naglatagaw nga iro. Ug subay ni ana ato makauban sila karon sa Exal ug William Zaloof. Ma'am Exal ug Sir William, maayong buntag ug dayon sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta mo?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Ayo.
Ma'am, unang-una, ikaw ba mismo dog lover na gayud ka kani adto pa?
Kaniadto dati dili jud kay napaakan magud ko. So na trauma ko na phobia pero year 2017 murag nag-rescue po pag akong iro. So that's the time na in love ko sa mga iro.
How about you, Sir William? Do you have pet dogs at home?
When I lived in the United States, I had my German Shepherd. Also, before that, in childhood, we had several dogs. But I didn't start rescuing stray dogs until I met my wife, Axel, in the Philippines. And since early 2018, January, that's when we started rescuing dogs, taking them inside the house, and also feeding the strays outside.
Karon pila na ba ang inyong mga alaga nga mga iro?
Diri sa sulod sa balay na ami 8 kabok na i-adapt na mo kung tulo ka sulupod ka iring. And then sa gawas kay ang among ginapakaon lang. Wala usahay mo mosulod sila kanang kung gusto nila mosulod pero pagaw na po na mo, kay mura sila part of family na kutob sa gusto na mo sulod. Pero naagid sila ipuy na sa gawas, katong shelter na, damay na shelter nga gipa kutob na mo.
And speaking of the shelter, photos of it went viral online after a netizen uploaded it on social media. And many netizens appreciated your efforts. Sir William, what made you decide to build the dog shelter?
Well, that was something my wife and I were kind of exploring the idea of building a shelter, but it wasn't until two of our stray dogs had puppies and they were inside of a little hut where they sold coal.
Ulingan.
So going there several times a day because one of those puppies is paralyzed. So I always had to make sure that it was close to his mother so he can eat. And also we started giving him milk and vitamins and whatnot. Several of the puppies died, and even like 2 days after, we would have like coal inside our nose or our mouth. And so we were like, maybe it's time right now to pull the trigger on building the structure. That way, if they do choose to have more babies, they can come in and have somewhere to get out of the rain, somewhere to get out of the sun.
Mga 1 month old pa na siya actually. Naamang good may construction gimo sa balay, so ang next project na kay nagig namatay sa mga puppies nga gipanganak. Auto anak sila lang maipat ko ana to kay para hasol magud sa among nga party. Sige balik-balik dito sa ulingan. Anong sige na lang mapatukod na to.
Right now, 5 puppies were dropped off in the middle of the night. That's one thing. If you guys include that part, I'm not sure, but we're not a drop-off shelter. We mainly take care of the dogs that are in the neighborhood organically. So we're not equipped for people to drop off puppies or drop off dogs. We don't want to be overextended because we want to be able to properly care for the dogs that we already have.
Ang mga stray dogs, ma'am, naanda na ba nila nga kung ting kauna o ting pahulay na muadto na sila dito sa inyong shelter?
Labi na hapit na ulan-ulan. Mag-atang na sila sa gawa sa gate kay every afternoon magputaw man ko. Magputaw ko kanang na over, na rice. Aside pa na sa kanang regular nga na dog food sa gawas na sila limutangan ba na random na iro. Aside sa katong gilabaw ka na mo, kung ato lang mo kaon mo inom.
How do you both feel nga makita nga secured ang dogs o mapakaon sila tungod sa inyong shelter?
It feels good because we're able to help the animals who are vulnerable and they're dependent on human beings.
Rewarding experience.
Challenging, but
rewarding.
One of the good things about taking care of the street dogs is it's better for the environment. There's less ticks, less fleas. The dogs are healthier. They're more socialized. Also, you have less rabies cases because dogs catch rabies because they're scavenging, so that's how they typically get it, because they're scavengers. But these dogs, they don't have to worry about that. They have food security, they have safety. So it's actually a lot better for everybody in the area, for the community.
One thing po na among gusto na murag i-impress sa community ba na kanang ang mga youth, most especially maging kinder sila sa mga stray dogs, stray animals na kung naamay leftover, especially Christmas, hapit na Christmas, pagkaon, maghatag, magutang plato sa gawas or plus tubig po jud kay para makakaon po ng mga stray animals. Anak po damong gusto na mga tao ba ang community, so para happy.
Alright, daghan kay salamat Sir William ug Ma'am Exal sa inyong oras ug higayon nga gihatag sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Ug unta, mas daghan pa ang sama ninyo nga dunay puso alang sa mga hayop. Ug advance Merry Christmas po.
Thank you.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.